In this video, my 5-year-old daughter and I are going to show you how to create a beautiful pumpkin pastel drawing.
First, draw a pumpkin or two on a piece of black paper.
You could even look at a real pumpkin when you do your drawing.
Next, trace over all your lines using Elmer's glue.
The glue will dry clear, and then you'll see through the glue to the black paper. So when you color in your paper with chalk pastels, the lines where you have glue will stay black.
Just be careful not to put your hands in the glue and let your picture dry overnight.
When your glue is dry, you're ready for the best part, which is coloring with chalk pastels. Just put some newspaper down first, and then have fun blending with colors.
Just make sure you roll your sleeves up first, because I got some on my sleeves.
And she even had her sleeves rolled up. Chalk can be pretty messy, but it's also a lot of fun.
The colors I used were brown, orange, black, yellow, white, even green. I did light at the top and dark at the bottom to look like the moon was shining on the pumpkin. I also blended the colors with my finger to make it look more real. I also used black and light blue to make it look like the sky was nighttime. I love using chalk and I'm so proud of my drawing.
With a little help from a parent, anyone at any age can do a chalk drawing with glue resist. You also might want to experiment with chalk pastels directly on black paper without glue.
I also did a flower drawing, but I didn't use any glue for this one. It's also a rainbow flower. When you're done, your hands are gonna be really messy. You need to wash your hands after.
Then, your finished drawings can be sprayed with a fixative or even hairspray to help seal the chalk so it won't continue to smear.
Thanks for watching our chalk pastel video. See